wanted to show y'all another little piece of ancient technology that I use around here. It's pretty easy to make. It's water level, or if you need to level something on the ground or a building, setting up a slab or something like that, and you need to make sure it's level on both sides of the slab, or the form that you're putting together for your slab. This is what you do. You just take your piece of clear tubing and you fill it up almost all the way with water, and you keep your two ends. Hold on. I just did this and I thought about it after. But anyway, this is what you do. You fill it up almost all the way with water. And if y'all can see this, see the water level there? They're going to be exactly level with each other no matter how far apart you take them. Okay? When they're open on the top like this. But the trick is to not spill the water. So what I did was I got put some zip ties around this side and another one through that zip tie, so that way it's snug to the tube, and you can fasten this to your form or whatever, you know, and that way you can take this other end and walk it over to where it needs to go, and you can make this as long as you want. But whenever you get to the other side, your water level, you can mark it on your board on each of these. All right, and then you can see where level is on the other side on your board in respect to the mark you made on the first side. So if you mark this board where the water level is, and you mark this on the other side on the other board, and then you know how far you got to move it to make the two boards even with each other. So it's just something that, I mean, this is ancient stuff here. They used to use this probably to make the pyramids, who knows. But all you gotta do to keep it, you can dump the water out and refill it each time, or I got these bolts that just so happen to fit. The threaded part's not very tight, but the shank part fits really snug in there, so that's what I was doing, just to hold on to it for now. So I'm just putting that in. Alrighty.